We are getting an error code on the control panel, E014, and none of the buttons work. Recycling power and the status stays the same.
Just to clarify, what's the make and model of the appliance? And has it done this before?
Never before. It's a Thermador Model M271E/M301E.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Depends on what the result of the error code means.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The control panel is a separate module from the wall oven.
Hello, sorry to hear you are having trouble. I'm Joel and will be glad to help you today. The E014 error means the on/off key on the user interface is not working and has failed. First, kill power to the unit by unplugging it or killing power to it at the breaker. If the problem persists, the user interface panel will have to be replaced. Wall oven user interface control board part hash 664,075. Click here for part info at Sears. We are on the honor system here. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service. Rating the answer does not close the question out. You can still find it in your My Questions if you need to follow up and have a further conversation with me. I do not get compensated until you rate, so it will be greatly appreciated. Thanks. If you need instructions to replace the board, just let me know. Thanks.
Hi Joel, I haven't pulled the panel off yet to have a look. From your response, I'm guessing that it's a single PCB. Can the board be replaced without replacing the entire panel?
Thank you for the rating, and no, unfortunately not the entire interface is serviced as a single component. Below I have provided the full service manual for that model, see page 12, and before replacing the interface just check the wiring and make sure all the connections are good. Click here to open/download service manual.
Great. Thanks Joel. I also found a replacement on www.usiteagainparts.com. Have you heard of them?
No, I have not, and they sell used parts as well, so if you are wanting a new one, make sure it states that on the listing.
Thanks again, I'll reco you on FB. Cheers, Ed.
You are welcome, Ed. Thank you for the rating and for using JA. Have a great day.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.